Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Machine World. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, the 2025 Integrex E-50Oh. This advanced machining center is packed with powerful features, and in this review, we'll cover its specifications, applications, and performance in detail, helping you understand why this machine is one of the best in its class. Whether you're into aerospace, automotive, energy, or general machining, this review will provide valuable insights. Let's get started. Spindle. The spindle of the Integrex E-50Oh is a crucial feature, and it's designed for high performance. This machine uses a powerful spindle motor which allows for superior cutting capabilities. With high rigidity and precision, the spindle offers maximum torque and speed, making it ideal for high-demand, high-precision machining applications. Whether you are working with tough metals or intricate components, this spindle ensures consistent results with minimal downtime. The spindle motor ensures smooth operation even during intensive machining tasks, enhancing both efficiency and quality. The turning diameter of the Integrex E-50Oh is impressive, making it suitable for machining larger parts. With a maximum turning diameter of 500 meta, 19.7 inches, the machine offers a versatile range of applications for various industries. This capacity makes it perfect for turning operations on parts such as automotive components, aerospace engine parts, and heavy-duty industrial components. The ability to handle larger diameter workpieces while maintaining precision is a significant advantage in increasing production efficiency. Axis. The Integrex E-50Oh features a multi-axis design, including 5 axes of simultaneous motion. This design enables highly complex machining tasks to be carried out with exceptional accuracy. With full control over the X, Y, Z, B, and C axes, operators can perform multi-dimensional cutting, turning, and milling operations with ease. The 5-axis configuration allows for greater flexibility and eliminates the need for multiple setups, which reduces machining time and improves overall efficiency. This makes it a go-to solution for complex and precise manufacturing processes. Control. When it comes to control, the Integrex E-50Oh is equipped with the latest FANUC 31IB control system. This advanced control system is known for its speed, precision, and reliability. It allows operators to manage machining operations with greater ease and accuracy. The intuitive user interface offers clear visibility and control over machine parameters, reducing the learning curve and enhancing operational efficiency. The control system is designed for high flexibility, offering compatibility with a wide range of programming languages, which helps in streamlining the workflow. Programming the Integrex E-50Oh is a seamless process thanks to its intuitive software and modern technology. The machine supports FANUC's sophisticated software that enables smooth transition from CAD/CAM data to the actual machining process. This ensures quick setup times and high accuracy. For more complex operations, the machine can integrate with advanced software solutions for automated toolpath generation, collision detection, and simulation, making the programming process both efficient and error-free. Whether you're working with simple or complex parts, programming this machine is straightforward and easy to understand. Automation. The Integrex E-50Oh offers exceptional automation features, which help improve production capabilities and reduce human error. One of its key automation features is the ability to integrate with robotic systems for automatic loading and unloading of parts. This enhances overall efficiency, reduces downtime, and minimizes the need for manual intervention, thus lowering labor costs. Additionally, the system can work autonomously for extended periods, making it ideal for mass production or environments requiring high-volume machining. To sum it up, the 2025 Integrex E-50Oh is an outstanding machining center, offering a perfect blend of power, precision, and versatility. With its advanced spindle, multi-axis capability, superior control, and excellent automation features, it's a powerful tool for industries like aerospace, automotive, energy, and general. Although it requires a significant investment, the value it brings in terms of efficiency, accuracy, and reduced production costs is undeniable. Thanks for tuning into Digital Machine World, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the latest in machining technology.